जाई करियो दुआ of Commerce and Industry has called this press conference to express our outrage at mob attack on Kashmir shopkeepers in Roru Tehsil, Shimla. Miscreants armed with hammers, sticks, iron rods have reportedly broken the shutters of the shops and looted and ransacked the goods. We have been watching with growing concern the selective targeting of Kashmiri businessmen, especially handicraft and feriwalas, on social media through videos of hate speech and physical violence. Some exhorting people not to buy Kashmiri goods. To our knowledge, no investigation or action has been taken in any of the incidents. A hostile environment is being created and attempts made to stoke sectarian violence in various places across the country. The incidents in Shimla is the result of hate propaganda, and we appeal to the Honorable Prime Minister of the country to send a clear message for safeguarding and protection of businessmen and students from Jammu and Kashmir, wherever they may choose to be. The KCCI demands that the Governor administration depute a high-level special team to Shimla, including representatives of Kashmir Chamber of Commerce and Industry, for assessing the losses and to ensure that the lives and property of Kashmiri traders and businessmen are safe and secure. We also humbly appeal to the senior elements of the society, including members of the business community, intellectuals, intelligentsia, civil society, and others, not to remain silent. It is the responsibility of all the secular-minded members of the society to take steps to protect the rights of Kashmiri people to freely conduct their business anywhere without fear or intimidation. The KCCI also demands that the guilty should be booked under more stringent provisions of criminal law. We find it strange that despite videos of vandalism readily available on the social media, the Himachal police has failed to make any arrests so far. This clearly points to goons being patronized by the state. While the KCCI appreciates the decision of the Himachal police to engage the service of forensic scientists to scientifically probe the episode of killing of a bovine animal, we believe that it would also serve the ends of justice to take action against the miscreants who have openly indulged in taking the law in their own hands. KCCI also demands that the Jammu and Kashmir police register FIRs and take legal action against people indulging in hate speech, physical violence, and freely spewing venom in the social media against members of the Kashmiri business community operating throughout the country. The need of this press conference is to convey a message across the country that, for God's sake, give our business people a safe and secure environment to work. And our lives are at risk, and I think elections come and go, but we should not be taken as a scapegoats. Thank you.